the greatest and the smallest numbers. What is greatest number? Let's take an example, a very small one. I am giving you 3 digits, 2, 7 and 4. Out of these digits, which digit is the greatest digit? 7. So we have to arrange the digits in the descending order to get the greatest number. So the number will become 7, 4, 9. Whereas when we have to form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Then make the greatest number, we arrange the digits in descending order. When we have to make the smallest number, we arrange the digits in the ascending order. Let us take a few examples. There are few digits written at the end of this slide below. You have to form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit numbers using all these digits. Let us form the greatest number and the smallest number. The digits are also given at the end. So the first digit will be the largest digit, 9. Then 7, 5, 3, 2 and 1. So this will be the greatest digit formed. Let's make the smallest digit. Which is the smallest number here? That will come first. 1 and then 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Hope you have understood this. And we have to then put the commas and write the number properly. So when we make the greatest digits, we arrange the numbers in the descending order, and when we have to make the smallest digits, we arrange the numbers in the ascending order. Let's take another example. The number is 1, 0, 1, 4, 0, 6, 8, 5. These are the digits given. Now, when we are doing normal digits, it doesn't matter. You can arrange them and form the number. But when we are doing the numbers where 0 is there, then there is a change. To form the greatest number, you are going to use the same method. From eldest to from the largest number to the smallest number in the decreasing order. So the greatest number formed will be 8, 6, 5, 4, 1, 0. Hope this is clear. Let's form the smallest number. So may I start with 0? 0, 1, 4, 5, 68. Let's read this number first. It is 14,568. 14,000 is a 5-digit number. We are making 6-digit number. So what we will do? We will exchange the place of the second smallest number and the smallest number. So the number will be 1, 0, 4, 5, 6, 8. Let us go on to this example. In the same way, we can find the greatest and the smallest digits, 7-digit number, using the given digits. Now we have to form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit number using the digits given to us. Now let us see which number will come first to form the greatest digit. The largest number. Which is the largest number? Largest number is 9, 8, 5, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. So the digit will become 9 crore 87 lakh 54,231. And if we make the smallest number, we will write 1 first. In this question, you could say we are going to reverse the places of all the digits. So the number will become 1 crore 23 lakh 45,789. Let's take another example. And remember, in this question, we have a 0. To form the greatest number, we will just arrange all these numbers that are shuffled in their decreasing order. So the number will be 8 crore 76 lakh 53,410. To make the smallest number, what we will do? See, look at the numbers 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, I have not kept this number here because the value of the number will decrease. I have taken the second smallest number here. I have taken second smallest number here. Form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit number using the given digits. You can repeat the digits. Use each digit at least once. Let's try a few examples. We have to make the 8-digit numbers, 8-digit greatest number and the smallest number. As you can see in the first option, there are 4 digits given. So we have to write 4 more. How? First step, arrange the given digits in descending order. Now look which one is the greatest number or the largest number. In this case, 5 is the largest number. How many more digits do we need? 4 more. That means we are going to put 4, 5 more. So this is the greatest number. To make the smallest number, as you can see, first arrange the given numbers in ascending order. 4 digits are there, so we need to write 4 more digits. We will see the smallest number and write it 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our new number will be this. Let us read out these numbers. 5 crore 55 lakh 55,431. The next number, the smallest number which is formed is 1 crore 11 lakh 11,345. Now look at these digits. They are 3 in number. So first step, what we will do? We will arrange all of them in descending order and put them in ones tens and hundreds place. So at ones, tens, hundred place we will have 972. Now 3 digits are done. We have to write 5 more digits. Look at the largest digit, which is 9, and write it 5 more times at thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores place. Similarly, to write the smallest number, first arrange the digits in the ascending order. So at 100, tens and ones we have 279. Now to fill up rest of the 5 digits we will write 5 times 2. So this is the number formed. We have to be very careful while writing these numbers. We cannot replace the smallest number by any of the other numbers. Otherwise, the answer will be wrong. Let's take this example. Now you know the rule of 0. If 0 is there, in case of forming the smallest number, what do? We don't put it on the first. We take it as a second smallest, second digit. So let's form the greatest number. First step, arrange these digits in descending order and put them at hundreds, tens and ones place. See, 100, tens, ones place. Now rest of the 5 digits you will write the greatest number. So here the greatest number is 8. So what do we get? 8. 5 times 8 we will write. So the greatest number formed will be 8 crore 88 lakh 88,810. To form the smallest number, we will put 1 first. Is this the right answer? No, this is wrong. Here the value of number is 18 only. So what do? We take this one and replace it with this 0. So the number becomes 1 crore 8. Hope this is clear to you. Here is a question for you. You have to form 7-digit and 8-digit number respectively from the given digits. To form the 7-digit greatest number, rule 1. You have to arrange the given digits in descending order. Now see how many more digits you need to write. 4 more digits. 3 digits are already written here. So which is the largest digit here? 6. 6 is the largest digit. So we are going to write 6 4 more times. This is the 7-digit greatest number formed from their given digits. Let's do the smallest 7-digit number. First we arrange the digits in ascending order. Here we have a 0. So what we will do? We will put 2 first and remaining digits will be zeros and the last digit will be 6. We cannot miss writing any of the digits. So the new number formed will be 20 lakh 6. To make the 8-digit number, what do we do? Arrange the given digits in descending order and write the largest digit as many more times required. Here is the smallest 8-digit number formed from the given digits. So we have 7 crore 77 lakh 77,741 and 1 crore 11 lakh 11,147.